Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, next gen 81 mm mortar telemetry bomb. India announced the development of a cutting edge 81 mm mortar telemetry bomb, a non-explosive round designed to revolutionize artillery training and fire control calibration. Equipped with advanced sensors, this innovative munition captures critical flight data such as velocity, trajectory, and environmental conditions in real time, transmitting the information wirelessly to ground systems. The 81 mm mortar telemetry bomb is fired like a conventional mortar round but serves an entirely different purpose. Instead of delivering an explosive payload, it is embedded with sensors that monitor its flight parameters throughout its trajectory. These sensors track key metrics including muzzle velocity, angular deviations, and atmospheric effects like wind speed and temperature, which can impact a motor's accuracy. Next, new satellite images reveal extensive damage on Pakistan. New high-resolution satellite imagery has shed light on the significant impact of India's airstrikes on Pakistani military infrastructure during Operation Sindoor. The images, analyzed by geospatial intelligence researcher Damian Seaman and shared via posts on X, reveal extensive damage to key Pakistan Air Force facilities at Noor Khan and Murid Air Base. Located in Rawalpindi, just 10 kilometers from Pakistan's capital Islamabad, Noor Khan Air Base is a critical hub for the PAF, housing transport squadrons, surveillance platforms, and aircrafts like the C-130 Hercules, SAB 2000 and IL-78 mid-air refuelers. Next, clearance for 6 Netra AWACS Mk1A. In a significant step towards enhancing the Indian Air Force airborne surveillance and command capabilities, the DAC, the Defense Acquisition Council, is poised to grant clearance for the procurement of 6 Netra Mk1A airborne early warning and control aircraft. The Netra Mk1A is an advanced iteration of the DRDO developed Netra Mk1 AWACS system, which has proven its operational mettle in high stakes scenarios like the 2019 Balakot airstrike and the recent Operation Sindoor on May 7th. Mounted on the Embraer ERJ-145 platform, the Netra Mk1A features an indigenous active electronically scanned array radar with 240-degree coverage and a range of approximately 450 km, a significant upgrade from the Mk1's 200 km range. Next, T-90 tank firepower with Invar missile procurement. In a significant move to enhance India's armored warfare capabilities, the Ministry of Defense is finalizing a procurement order for 500 Invar anti-tank guided missiles from BDL, a state-run defense public sector undertaking. The deal, estimated to cost between Rs 2,000 crores and Rs 3,000 crores, aims to equip the Indian Army's T-90 Bhishma main battle tanks with advanced precision guided missile systems. The Invar ATGM, a laser guided tank fired missile, is designed to neutralize enemy armored vehicle, including those equipped with explosive reactive armor, that is ERA, fired from the 125 gun barrel of the T-90 tank. The Invar missile boasts a range of 5 kilometers and a tandem warhead capable of destroying both stationary and moving targets at speeds up to 70 km per hour. Next, trials for precision munition dropping drones. In a significant leap forward for India's indigenous defense capabilities, Neo Sky India Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of Ratan India Enterprises, has successfully completed trials with the Indian Army for its precision munition dropping drone platform. Neo Sky's drone platforms, developed through the subsidiary Throttle Aerospace Systems, were rigorously tested by the Indian Army for their ability to drop precision munition with pinpoint accuracy. The trials, conducted under demanding conditions, showcased the drone's advanced navigation, payload delivery systems, and autonomous capabilities, positioning them as a game changer for tactical missions. Next, offering F-35A stealth fighters to India. In a significant development for India's defense modernization, the US government is set to make a formal offer for the sale of Lockheed Martin's F-35A Lightning II stealth fighters to India in June 2025, according to sources. This follows earlier indications from US President Donald Trump during a February 2025 meeting with the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Washington, where he announced plans to boost military sales to India, including F-35. The offer was reiterated by Vice President J.D. Vance during his visit to India in April 2025, signaling strong US intent to integrate India into the elite group of F-35 operators. The proposed deal, structured as a government-to-government foreign military sales agreement, promises early delivery starting as early as late 2027. Next, India fast-tracks BMD-2 development. In response to recent attempts by Pakistan to target the Delhi NCR region with short-range ballistic missiles, the Defense Research and Development Organization has been directed to accelerate the development of the Ballistic Missile Defense Phase 2 system. The directives comes as India has already begun deploying its BMD Phase 1 interceptors, signaling a robust response to escalating regional threats. Thank you.